We are back working on the other washer and dryer combo that I got from the side of the road. If you haven't seen that video yet, check it out. I'll try to link it in the description or somewhere. I don't know how to do that, but I can try to figure it out. So just a quick rundown. So I found two of these on the side of the road outside a retirement community. I picked them both up there. It was probably a week apart. And I plugged them in and to see if they would work. One leaked water out of the drum. So I took the drum out of this one and put it in the other one. And so I got that all fixed up. It worked 100% and I sold it. And I made a good profit on it. And I'll try to show my profit figures at the end of the video. So this one, we have a drum that leaks, so it needs a transmission assembly and that has a sill assembly. So I bought the transmission assembly, and also the dryer, it shorted out. Overall, I have about $250 into this one. The last one I sold for $500, and it was on Marketplace for less than an hour. So I'm not too worried about getting this one sold. I was just going to scrap it. I figured I could make another video and make a little extra money. So that's what we're going to do. So this is the drum, and there's a transmission underneath it that has a bearing and a sill, and either the sill went bad and made the bearing go bad, or the bearing went bad and made the sill go bad. Either way, they're both bad. It leaks water, and it also makes a horrible noise. So we are going to remove that nut right there, and we're going to pound it out, and the transmission assembly should come out the bottom. Guess whose right hand threads? Maybe clean up a little bit. Here's the new one with the new seal. Everything is intact. We do have to swap over some of the components. So we have to swap over the drum lock, and also this, it's all oily, this pulley. Should do it. Alright, right now the plan is we're going to get this all cleaned out, and then we're going to get the drum installed, get the bottom buttoned up, and then we will worry about the heating element. We'll find the screws that go to that. But first, let's get these struts connected. There we go. There we go. Then you have these little rubber shocks that bolt to the side of the drum with a screw, but I'll have to find those screws. So now we got the drum completely in. We'll have to hook up the hose and everything, tighten up the agitator. Nope. Right, that needs to go behind. There we go. This is where I hide my wife's Christmas gift, so she's not gonna look in here. She doesn't know how to do laundry. Pretty sure you pull off this whole, the front, just like this. You pull off the front part and that drum comes out. Let's take this control panel off and go from there. So we got the dryer drum out, and you can see where is it at? Right there. That how that peak is kind of shorted out right there. So let's get it replaced. Okay. Alright, so I had to get some extra long water hoses to get this thing hooked up. They're 10 feet long, so my laundry room is right there, so I can get it hooked up and check everything out. Caught her.
Yeah.
Well, went through the wash cycle. No leaks, no grinding or sounds. So let's put it in the just let it in the dryer and dry it, and be done with our test. We can list this baby for sale. Get it out of my garage. Looks dry. Perfect. So the dryer works, the washer works. I'm gonna list it for sale, and once it sells, we'll do a price breakdown and see if we made any money. All right, so let's run the numbers on these washer and dryers. I just got the one unit sold. I picked them both up for free on the side of the road, and I stored them for about 6 months. I made one good one out of 2 bad ones, and I made a total profit off of one of them for 500 bucks. I sold it for $500. That's 100% profit. On the second unit, I spent $250. $200 was for the transmission, $50 was for the heating element. So total, I have $1,000 profit between the two, and I have $250 in parts. So I made $750 off of trash off the curb. So I think that's a pretty good little gig. So if you like my content, please subscribe and like these videos. I'd really appreciate it.